skateboarding is really an exciting recreation to do. Some people might think that this is not a sport for them because it's a bit risky and requires plenty of experience to do. But one thing is for sure, skateboards are for beginners who will become pro. Now, if you're thinking about the best skateboards for beginners like you won't probably regret getting one from this list. Skateboarding will give you the feeling of freedom and excitement as the wheels roll under your feet. If you're still undecided about buying your very first skateboard, know what kind of skateboard a beginner needs to get started. Before buying your first skateboard as a beginner, you need to choose the right shop. It is important to look for a shop that has exactly what you need. It can be a local skate shop or online store. Choosing the right skateboards depends on how you skate. The size will benefit your skill set. If you're going to skate on street more often, choose a deck size between 7.5 to 8 inches. Quality skateboards are usually made of 7-ply maple deck. Without further ado, here are the 11 best skateboards for kids, teens, and adults. High-Cole Skateboard, 31x8 Complete Pro Skateboard. A friendly skateboard for beginners, this is how many first-time skateboard users describe the High-Cole Skateboard, 31x8 Complete Pro Skateboard. This skateboard is a complete pro board unit designed for ages 5 and above. Since you're a first-time user, it would be hard for you to buy a skateboard model where you will be required to put all the parts together. Lucky for you, there are skateboards like this that has no assembly required. High-Cole Skateboard, 31x8 Complete Pro Skateboard is made from 7-layer Canadian maple wood, which can support a total of 220 pounds, making it suitable for adults. This is indeed a super smooth skateboard with its 50mm 85 APU wheels with ABC 7 bearings and bushings. No need to worry if you're going to be skating in street, parks, pools, and ramps. This skateboard has a full size of 31x8 deck, a double kick concave design ideal for beginners. Even if it's tagged as beginner's skateboard, it can do basic stunts such as OL action, tricks, and 360s. It provides safety and stable ride through its high-quality black grip tape. SCSK8 Pro Skateboard Cruiser Pre-Assembled Complete. SCSK8 is an American skateboard company that produces budget-friendly boards under two different brands, Quest and SCSK8. They produce complete skateboard, blank longboard, and different skateboard equipment. SCSK8 Pro Skateboard Cruiser Pre-Assembled Complete is a high-quality, yet less expensive skateboard for beginners. This skateboard has a 31 inches deck made from wood and wrapped with black grip tape. Its concave-shaped deck made it suitable for tall riders. The SCSK8 Pro Skateboard Cruiser Pre-Assembled Complete is a bi-directional and double kicktail skateboard, meaning both sides can be used for slides, quick turns, and tricks. The main deck is made from high-class wood, making it more durable than other brands. This 31-inch deck is well suited for people of all ages. Just like other skateboards, its deck is covered with grip tape for better grip between shoes and deck, a safety right for users. This skateboard has an 8-inch wide deck where you can keep your feet comfortable all the time. Its ABC 7 rated bearings will help you steer the board at a high speed without losing stability. You can choose your favorite colors and spectacular designs. SCSK8 sells cheap longboards suitable for beginners. If you're a beginner and you want to experience a real skateboard ride without spending too much money, go for this SCSK8 Pro Skateboard Cruiser Pre-Assembled Complete. Minority 32-inch Maple Skateboard. Want to ride around with a comfortable skateboard? Not having plans to go on tricky rides? This is the best starter board for your casual rider. The Minority 32-inch Maple Skateboard is an 8x31 decent starter skateboard that has good trucks and bearing for a better ride. The Minority 32-inch Maple Skateboard has 5-inch trucks made from alloy and other rust-free hardware. Good trucks will give you a worry-free ride even in wet streets or parks. This skateboard has ABC 9 bearings made from chrome steel and 32mm 102A high rebound PU wheels. Have all of these will help a rider to reach the top speed in just 3 power paddle. Minority 32-inch Maple Skateboard 8x31 could be one of the most artistic brands. The company believes that artwork occupies a big part of a skater's brain, that's why they collected designs from different cultures to make unique designs. Their graphics are durable enough to fade. The deck of this skateboard is made from cold-pressed 7-ply hard rock maple and epoxy glue, which can support shock and weight up to 220 pounds. Its concave design and spacious kicktail and nose will definitely give you an amazing maneuver all the time. Asian Skateboard 31x8 Complete Pro Skateboard. Unlike any normal skateboard, this Asian Skateboard 31x8 Complete Pro Skateboard has a 9-ply hard rock maple wood. The deck is cold pressed into 32x8 size, which can support weight up to 220 pounds. If you're a beginner and you want to experience an off-road ride, this skateboard will give you a super smooth experience. It has 4 anti-shock and anti-abrasive 55mm 85 APU wheels, where you can easily roll to rugged roads. The deck is made of hot-pressed 9-layer maple ply, bringing more flexibility and shock absorbent to the ride. It can withstand both children and adults, so children and parents can play together. The Asian Skateboard 31x8 Complete Pro Skateboard ensures that all skaters will enjoy their ride without slipping. They made their anti-slip surface with quality. A good maneuver doesn't only depend on the rider itself but on the quality and condition of both bearings and wheels. With precision bearings and sturdy wheels, any rider can maneuver effectively. This 30.6-inch board is available in a variety of colors and designs inspired by street graffiti. The bottom part will give you a contemporary look. Pro Skateboard 31x8 Complete Skateboard. This skateboard is for both beginners and professionals. If you want to experience speed and passion, this brand is for you. All parts of NPT Pro Skateboard 31x8 Complete Skateboard are wear resistant. Each deck is made with cool graphics and colors. NPT Pro Skateboard 31x8 arrived assembled and ready to ride out of the box. This model has an ABEC 11 high-speed precision bearing. The higher the bearing, the better ride on rough surfaces. It can support a rider weighing up to 220 pounds. Are you planning for a long ride? The high-quality PU wheel of this skateboard is solid enough for the long ride. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, this skateboard is flexible. It can do basic stunts such as OL action, 360s, and a few other basic tricks that you might want to try. Playwheel's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2-1 Wood Cruiser Skateboard. This Wood Cruiser skateboard features TMNT graphics, which makes it more appealing to kids. Playwheel's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2-1 Wood Cruiser Skateboard is a 21-inch deck made from 9-ply maple plywood. It's a single kicktail design, but offers great control and brake for riders, especially for beginners. The plywood used in this deck can withstand hours of practice, making it extremely durable for any rider. Its single kicktail design offers easy maneuvering and safe brake. Since the users of these skateboards are complete beginners, it is commendable that they pay attention to the safety of their riders, which are considered kids. The wheels of this skateboard are PVC injected, meaning they can stand for a long and smooth ride. It also has nylon bearings, which help the wheels achieve effective rotation. Nothing to worry about slipping, because this skateboard has a special grip surface, which helps you keep feet firmly and planted while on a ride. Cal 7 Complete Skateboard 7.75-inch to 8.0-inch. Looking for a durable skateboard yet offers 1-year warranty? Cal 7 Complete Skateboard 7.75, 8.0-inch is for you. Unlike most brands of skateboards, Cal 7 can stand behind their products. The brand is confident with their boards simply because they built it from durable materials, which can maintain flexibility at all times. Even if you're just a beginner, the quality of the skateboard must come first. Skateboarding is an active sport, so better to invest with durable brands. Unlike other skateboards in the market, this one is a bit lightweight because of its aluminum trucks. A versatile skateboard can slide smooth on street, parks, and vert. This is made possible by Cal 7 Complete Skateboard 7.75, 8.0-inch. It has the perfect set of wheels that makes it versatile for all surfaces you might want to skate. Want some classic design skateboard? Or some eye-catching look that could match your style? This skateboard offers both classic and explosive colors design. The medium concave design will ensure enough grab to catch your board on flip tricks without losing stability. This skateboard gives enough grip without sacrificing the quality of every slide. The wheels are made from white urethane that comes in a 100 diameter, ideal for both smooth and rough terrain. There will be no wheel bite because of its 3mm riser pads. This also helps every turn easier, especially for beginners. Waveline Skateboard Complete 22-inch. Looking for an easy to take around skateboard? A small and lightweight one but durable enough to handle everyday use? The Waveline Skateboard Complete 22-inch is the best buddy for you. This skateboard is designed to provide a safe grip surface molded for great balancing. When choosing your skateboard, it's important to get something that is capable of holding your feet firmly on the board to avoid accidental falling. Its 2.5-inch wheels might not be the thickest, but one of the highest quality you could get in the market. Many people want their first skateboard to be stylish, that's why this brand pay a lot of attention to their designs. All things with retro style will always be remarkable. If you're giving this as a gift to someone, you'll definitely receive a wide smile. The skateboard is meticulously made with great colors. It's durable and sturdy enough to be called one of the best beginner's skateboards in the market. Home Pro Skateboard Complete. One of the best options for 31x8 size deck is Home Pro. This design is suitable for kids and adult youth. Not mentioning that it has a concave design that can perform the best tricks on the street. The deck is double kick design, which can support different tricks. This makes every tricks possible, such as ollies, grinds, and flips. Double kick skateboard have tails at both ends. You can make flips either way. Home Pro Skateboard has 60x45mm ADA soft PU wheels. With these wheels, rolling over uneven surfaces would be possible. This skateboard is tagged as easy to use. It even comes with a tool that allows the user to adjust the trucks and wheels to their needs. Home believes that a friendly skateboard is strong and flexible enough for every user. That's why they use really strong plywood. Whitefang Skateboards for beginners. This skateboard is for those who want to learn tricks as a beginner. Whitefang is one of the most impressive beginner skateboards that has an amazing holding capacity. Its durable design can hold up to 330 pounds, not mentioning that it has a very affordable price. Whitefang Skateboard for beginners has a deck made with 7-layer Canadian maple wood that offers perfect balance and toughness to the skater. It is durable enough to carry up to 330 pounds rider. Its truck is made from magnesium alloy, making it reliable for beginner and skilled skater. This skateboard has high rebound PU wheels with ABC 9 precision bearings for smooth pushing. Its wheels can run smoothly on skate parks, ramps, pools, as well as on both smooth and rough surfaces. Its wheels can give you a super smooth and speed spin, a feeling like you're racing with the wind. In fact, their wheels are suitable for commuting, skate parks, ramps, and pools. This skateboard was designed for both beginners and skilled, that's why they make it a double kick disaster new trick symmetric concave design. The top board will let your feet stay firmly while doing tricks because it is customized with emery sandpaper, which gives enough locking for the sole of your shoe. Most younger skaters choose this Skate XS personalized beginner starboard street skateboard because of its skate shop quality design. It is the only skateboard from this list that can feature your name right on the board itself. Their name label on the top of the board is protected with a translucent strip of clear grip. You can put your name on top of your deck. Not all skateboards provide this kind of customizable feature. Replacement parts are easy to find and purchase. This product has been designed with skate shop quality components, which is very ideal for young learners. With this skateboard, you can easily do advanced tricks and pass obstacles throughout the skate park without any maneuvering problem. Skateboard is there when gadgets, toys, and other outdoor activities are still in the making. It can be considered as an exciting sport, especially for kids nowadays who are stuck with playing mobile games and other digital stuff. If you are looking for the best skateboards for beginners, you need to make plenty of research about the best one and the right store to buy. Each skateboard on this video has its very own features that suit different people's needs. Make sure to buy one that can blend with your personality, style, and skill.